You use a credit card. Okay? Alright, you borrow, let's say you borrow $1,000. Okay? Yes? Yes? The interest rate, they make you pay 20% because credit card is really high. Right? They kill on that. Say, you know what? Use my money, take my credit card, use it, go out, buy food, whatever it is, right? And then every month, you know, I will charge you 20%. So look, 20%. Right now, someone tell me, let me pick someone. And 20% of what? What number should be here? Huh? You agree? Huh? Okay, by now you should know, okay? 20% of that, only up something. All right, let's see how much I have to pay. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's $2 right there. So I paid $200. So the total, how much I owe, guys? Yes? Now, here's the kick. They say like, oh, Mr. Do, I'm being nice to you. You don't have to pay me this whole amount because I know you don't have money. Right? Because we borrowed the money. You know what? Just give me the minimum. They say, you know what, Mr. Do, just pay me $100. Okay? Give me the minimum. They tell you like, you know what, Mr. Do? You look at the credit card balance, they say like, the minimum you can pay is $100. They're like, wow. I borrowed $1,000, and then at the end they only asked me to pay $100. Now, be careful how they do it. So if you pay $1,100, is that what happened to this? Is that affecting it at all? So how much you pay now? So after you take this, subtract the money you pay $100. How much do you owe now, guys? $1,100. You know, you barely pay your principal. This one here, your principal here. You just pay half of the interest. And now look, next month what happened? You take 1,100 time what? Another 20% interest rate they charge you, right? Cancel. What is this right now? So one, huh? So 220? Yeah, 220 now. You guys see that? Now look at the whole amount. How much you owe now? 1,320. It's going up. Right? And they say, you know what, Mr. Do, fine, you don't have to pay me again. Just pay me another 100. All right, pay me 100. What is it now? I barely make even before that. I barely make how much I have there. And go on. This is why people with credit card, they have debt over time. Because the people design this, they're not dumb. They make you feel like, oh, you know what? I don't want to pay the home day. I didn't know that. I only pay $100. Guess what? You pay forever. You can never get out of that. Because every time you pay, you're chasing it. The number right here getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Yes? I will have someone do one more for me. Next month. This is second month. They do third month. Okay? All right, what do we have now? 1,220. All right, someone help me. Give me the new number now, guy, over here. Who want to go upstairs and do it? Do an interest right here, 20%. Who want to do it? Who want to do it? Huh? Anyone? I will call her then. Go. Want to do it? 10% of that. How much money you have? After the third month you pay? Go, you. Your market right there, go. Alright. Let's see how after the third month how much we pay, okay guys? So be careful. Do not use credit card. The only time you use credit card you pay off. Okay, so 20% again of that. Alright, someone tell a helper 1,220.
Everybody had to help you. You didn't do it on your own.
So it become 244. So 244 plus the 244. So become 1,444. 1,444. And then minus $100. So you, so after you minus $100, where you owe? 1,344. You see how far away from this in after 3 months? This almost there. You see that? You guys see that, guys? It's crazy. And then what is it? The American Express, they charge you 29%. That's like 30%, even worse than this. Yeah, some credit card they have 27%. Crazy. So yeah, see that? How much they only after like boom? Actually only not 3 months. 1 month, 2 months. You owe another 30%. Is that crazy? So be careful. Thank you, Juan. Okay, guys. So I try to explain you guys all the concept because a lot of you guys say like, well, what do I learn this math for? What does it apply for? Does it make sense to you guys how we use the percent, the discount, and all this now, guys? Make sense? Yes? Otherwise, you're like, oh, I learned a lot of math, but I don't know what it's used for. This is what it's used for. Behind the scene, okay? Yes? So be careful. I already told you guys about the receipt, the way how to cheat, right? With the money, right? They tax you before and after, you lose $4, and then now we'll tell you guys about the interest rate. So you guys should learn that now. Yeah? Okay, let me stop. All right, go on, let's start with you. What's the answer for this?
You do it on your own. That's yes. 0.5416.
0. Point what? 0.85. Yeah, agree? Huh? You're not sure? 0.085 or 0.85? Which one? 0.0. Okay, now she's changed her answer. She's changed her answer. She's not sure. She said this earlier, but she's not sure. All right, let's see what you get. Okay, now let's be treated like this. How many zero here? All right, we know that. What do we move? When you divide, getting smaller, right? So you move to the left. So you move how many times? 2 times. So the answer become 0.085. Okay, guys? Yes? Make sense now? Okay, let me give you an example, okay? So if you have, okay, 7.5 per 1,000. All right, someone give me the answer for this. So let me say, Ang, what is it? Want to go ahead and do it? Go ahead and do it. Quick, go.
10 by 2.
Man, I really like.
Look here.
Why tell me what we do?
3 by
So
1, right?
because the point right here, then I move and
3 times 1 is 3.
I see 3 0 under here, so I move 3 times.
Perfect. 3-0. So you move 3 times. So what's the dot now? So what's the answer?
That would be 0.00775.
Go
0.075.
Go slow. 0.00775. Go ahead. Go slow and strong. What's the answer?
0.00775.
Okay. All right. You need.